Review Hub. Brand name, Lydsto. Voltage, V12V. Power, W40W. Weight, 6 to 10 kilograms. Number of nozzles, 1 to 3 nozzles. Number of operating modes, 1 to 2. Battery type, Li-ion. Turbo brush, no. Dust box capacity, L2L. Filter type, other. Battery life, 1 hour. Battery capacity, 2,300 mAh. Product size, 250 by 250 by 250 millimeters. Charging time, less than 3 hours. Storage temperature, 0-40 degrees Celsius. Function, carpet type. Cleaning route, random type. Bag or bagless, bagless. Cord length, M wireless. Installation, robot. Special suction nozzle, efficient brush. Dust storage type, dust box/dust bucket. Hign-concerned chemical, none. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.